Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best 35mm Film Camera. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. XINBAI Waterproof Film Camera. Waterproof camera. Disposable, does not have a flash, which is more suitable for shooting in most outdoor sunlight. Number 4. Kodak 35mm Film Camera. Capture the memories with this easy-to-use, reusable 35mm film camera from Kodak. This camera runs on a single AAA battery and features an optical viewfinder, f/10 aperture and 1/122 shutter speed. Number 3. Dubblefilm 35mm film camera. The recommended speed for good light conditions is 100 and 200 and 400 up. Under normal light conditions, it features a plastic body that makes its weight only 100 gram. The camera features a built-in 32mm f/8 aperture lens. Number 2. Reto 35mm film camera. Upload and stitch multiple images into 3D GIFs. Wiggle the moment. Go beyond a still, frozen picture. Lightweight, easy to use. Reusable film camera. Suitable for 35mm negatives and slides. Focus-free feature for clicking snaps with ease. Number 1. Canon 35mm film camera. Canon FD series interchangeable lenses with full aperture metering and AE coupling. Canon FL series with stop-down metering. The viewfinder is fixed eye-level pentaprism with a field of view that is 93.5% vertical and 96% horizontal coverage of the actual picture.